Hey, this is Kim from My Feather Nest. Welcome back to my channel. So I am getting to show you guys my farmhouse porch all decorated for July 4th. I went over the top with Patriotic Decor this year here on the front porch. You are going to be totally blown away by all of the American flags that I have out. And honestly, I couldn't think of a more appropriate theme to have right now. As you guys know, all of the things that are going on here in our country, what better way, what better holiday to remind us of how blessed we are to actually live in the land of the free because of the brave. So all my support, all my love goes out to all of the military personnel that's out there, whether you be a veteran or whether you are currently serving. I appreciate each and every one of you that fight to keep us free here in this awesome country. And if you are not from America, well, I'm sure you're very proud of your own country too, and maybe you can find some inspiration watching this video, and instead of American flags, maybe you can put your own country's flag out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this tour set to music. I just really think that it's relaxing to watch a tour like that. If you have any questions at all, like always, please leave them in the comment section. I do my best to answer any questions that I get. But before I get on with the tour, I will point out a couple things, things that I think that you may have questions about. Number one, remember that I do live in an old farmhouse. So this old farmhouse is a grand old girl, but she does need a lot of work, and our to-do list is literally a mile long. So I'm sure you will see things on this porch that you may want to point out to me, such as I know our banister needs painted, we've got to do some things with the roof and the ceiling, and I know that somebody in the last video that I showed of the porch decorated with the peacock theme, somebody asked, why don't I paint the concrete? And yes, we definitely want to paint the concrete here on the front porch, but we don't want to do that until we get a new roof. So let me go ahead and flip around and show you a couple things that I want to point out, and then we will get on with a tour. Okay, so first thing I want to show you is what I'm sitting in front of right now is a DIY from this year that I did. It's one of those, I guess you call it a rag. I don't know. I'm calling it a ripped rag American flag. And let me flip the camera around to show you. I absolutely just love the way that this DIY turned out. I think it is so stinking cute. I love it. It was very easy to do. I probably, when I go out, I probably will try and find some more white lace to add to it as well, but I haven't done that yet. But oh my goodness, I am in love with it, and it was so easy. This is pretty cool. I want to point out this is an old flag that you can see is attached to just a really old long stick. This was something that my mother-in-law gave to me, and I just think it's really cool, so I just kind of have it positioned here in the corner next to the welcome sign. This is another DIY that I did this year. This is my moss wreath. I absolutely love the way that this wreath turned out this year. I did a rag bow for this wreath, and I could not be more pleased. These rag bows are just totally my jam right now. I absolutely love them, and I plan on making a bunch more. Oh my goodness, I'm just, like I said, I am super in love with this wreath. This is another neat thing too. I have this old American flag just draped over this really cool old wicker rocker that I have recently picked up at the thrift store. I don't want to take the flag off of it right now because I'm doing this one-handed, but it's a really cool old white wicker rocker. I love it. Super cute. Found that at a local thrift store, and you can see the little details on the side of it. It's really cute. Look at the back of it. You can see the details. I just love that. I love wicker. Picked up those pillows from Walmart. These pillows came from Ross. A lot of these embellishments you see right here are from, I think either Hobby Lobby or Michael's. And then the little red, white, and blue stars are from the Dollar Tree. Those are so cute. I was really impressed with those, especially being that they were from the Dollar Tree. Another thing that I wanted to point out as well is in the tour you will see that I take you, we have the front porch is a wraparound porch, so I have a whole other side porch over there that is definitely a work in progress. So you will see in the video when I get over there that it is not nearly as elaborate as the front porch. I still need a bunch more to decorate the side porch over there. So obviously it's not going to happen for this July 4th, but I want to, so without further ado, we are going to go ahead and tour the porch here at the My Feather Nest farmhouse for Patriotic season. so much for sticking around and taking this tour with me. I hope that you found some inspiration to decorate your own porches. Even if your porch is not as big as mine, or maybe it's bigger than mine, you can just do so many fun, inexpensive things to jazz up your porches and your patios to kind of bring the atmosphere of the inside of your house out. I look at all of my porches like they're just outdoor rooms. Yeah, I hang pictures, I decorate them, just like I said, as if they were another extension, another room in my house. I will see you guys in the next video, and if you have not already done so, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button and become a part of my YouTube family, and make sure you tap on that bell next to the subscribe button to be notified of when I post future videos. And follow me on Instagram. Super excited about Instagram. It's more daily things. I haven't quite figured out Instagram yet, so bear with me, but show me some love, show me some support, and get over there. I will make sure that I link that in the description box. All right, guys, bye.